$200 locked in, and it's risk-free from there, done by lunchtime. That was basically today's trades. Both were transformed into butterflies from credit spreads before the afternoon even got going. Here's how it worked out. So we had a standard premium popper setup type of day. We're watching for the signal. Well, to be fair, the software is looking for the signal. We put the trade on and we get on with the day until the next alert. The premium poppers fired bearish, with the grade sitting above average for the day, and the win rates expected to be around 89% for these types of setups. The opening ranges that we look for that stacked on top of each other, well, we had a full stack, so we had 6 out of 6 for the quality score for the day as well. And this is a progressive score that builds through the day, so by the end of the first 60 to 90 minutes, we had a further expectation of a 91% expectation that price was going to move lower. The session showed basically breakouts, and we put the trades on and we essentially just wait for the profits to get there and do their things. So we have the first opening range breakout, then we have a third. We don't always get a second breakout in an ironic twist. So we have a first breakout, third breakout, 2 bites of the cherry, both taken in the usual way, with in this time an at-the-money credit spread to initiate. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to add a debit spread to lock the price in. And we get this kind of like bonus trade. So we're not actually closing the trades for the profits. We kind of lock the profits in, and then it creates this profit tent that you can see on the chart there. So what we end up doing is we end up transforming the trade. And because we've got 2 butterflies at this point, sometimes this gets called the Batman. You've got the Batman ears or the pussycat ears, whatever you want to describe it. I didn't name it, so don't blame me. But the important part in all of this is it's now risk-free. The market can rally, it can drop off, it can dither around, it can fuck around. If it lands in the profit tent, we essentially get some extra profits available for the trade. And to be fair, this does actually happen quite regularly, more than you might think. So it's not just a long shot, but we've seen these types of trades give us these bonus trades on many occasions. So ultimately $200 locked in, guaranteed floor. It can't get any worse. And there's 2 profit tents that you can see here, and we've got some bonus profits as potential. In fairness, it didn't close the day anywhere close to these profit tents, so we just got the money that we wanted, and the bonus profits were not available to us, just the way it is on this particular day. So while all that was going on, the crew were filling the channel up. We have a wonderful community on Slack. Don, Bill, Chris, Mary, all bagging their own profitable trades on the premium poppers. And, it's just a wonderful system. And it's just wonderful to see that it's not just me that's doing it as the creator of the system. It's the community who are able to replicate these types of results. So it's absolutely fantastic to see, and well done everyone who posted publicly, and if you didn't, then also well done to you too. So that's where we're at for the day. We've got a guaranteed profit by the closing bell. We were done by lunch, and then we can pretty much go and do our own thing. So if you want to collect morning income like this from a trade that is pretty fair, done before lunch and still alive by the close with some lottery ticket profits, then click the link below or go to antivestor.com. This trade fired twice. Again, sometimes it happened once, sometimes it happens 3, 4. We can see it up to 5 times, but realistically 1 or 2 times a day, these types of trades set up before lunchtime. So that's where we're at. As always, less brain equals more gain. I am not smarter than the system. I let data and the rules dictate what I do and when I do it, if I do anything at all, and the results speak for themselves. See you on the next installment. Bye for now.